Hello my friends, I hope you're all doing good. Today I want to show you something. I ordered this in Amazon. So we open this and we see what's inside. So you get one wheel to put in your angle grinder. It is smaller than I thought, but I think this means for a small job. I am going to build one bigger than this one, but I just want to test this from Amazon. Was about $30 or maybe cheaper. So we put this together and see how it's work. I have an electric angle grinder here, which I buy very cheap. It was in Seoul. I think I paid for this one $10. So we're going to take out everything here, and I hope this one should fit here, which doesn't do. This is too big, so this is not fitting here with the normally angle grinder. I want to test with my cordless angle grinder and see if this one can fit here, because this one does not, because they have very big head here. But let's see if this one fit here. And this one does not fit here, which is very sad. I don't know which angle grinder will fit here. So what we have to do here, we have to make a bigger hole and we have to make another one like this, bigger one. Then it should fit here. What we're going to do now is that we're going to cut this off and we're going to make a new one which will fit in this angle grinder here. So we're going to make a new one like this. Now you can see we make it a new one, and I weld it, and this one, it goes here perfectly. Like you see, it is perfect, which now can fit every angle grinder. So we put this together and test it. First we want to do, we put this one, it's come with, which is not perfectly finished, but we will see how it's work. So you put this like this, and secure it. Now we're going to test this one. If it's work, we'll see we can fix it. This one. This is a bit bigger material, but this one I think it's made for the small material. But we test and see how it works. I think you should not push this one too much because it's very little. So you can see here it's off, and I think this material is very small, so I'm going to buy a little bit bigger material. But we're going to test with them. It makes good finish, but it takes a little bit time. That's why we have to make one bigger. I think you cannot use so much this in metal, and you have to have patience with this one because I think this is very small. That's why I'm going to build ones much bigger with much power motor. But I will try this in with wood and see how it's working. With the wood is no problem at all. It works very good. But with the metal, no. Doesn't work good. So we're going to build one bigger, with a bigger motor and more power. That is all for today, guys. I hope you like it. If you like, please give me a thumbs up, and see you next project.